course it's gonna come right back off like it just did again. It's really, I think it's broken. The gear's too loose. I gotta put the battery back in on this one because it's been popped out way too long. That's the one that's gonna come back off. This is the bad switch one. Oh my gosh. Oh. This straight is the one that's on the stead. I think. It looks fast, but it'll run dead. Because it hasn't been changed. I don't know if this can be fixed. It's going to keep sliding down like that. So I only have 4 that works. That means until I get this glued into right place. I need to glue it. Came back off again. Whoa! Now we popped out of this one again. Battery popped out again on that one I fit. Oh, again. I might as well just give up on this one. Till I can glue it, can't be used. So, I'll just put the batteries in this one. This one's really dead. So there's only going to be 4 going. This one's fast. That's too bad because I really like these and I like as many going as possible. It can be fixed. That's not a hard fix, I don't think. These get stuck so much, but at least that's the only one that has a broken gear on it, because that can be fixed. four gone, people. Only four. One of them is missing, I think.